So this US 30 analysis for Thursday, the 20th of December. Now, let's just have a look what where prices may likely go. So here on the US 30, we've had prices. Well, we've been in a fairly strong downtrend here, particularly over the past couple of days here on the US 30. Red prices pull back down towards, as I said, 23,514. Initially saw a bullish bias at momentum take us up towards 23,900. Pullback retested 23,600. Came within a couple of pips of that points of the 23,514. Had this bullish ramp up here. Bullish rally here on the US 30. In anticipation of the Fed rate decision. As we can see, after the Fed rate decision, had this fairly strong, consistent sell-off. So we've had the bullish buy-side volatility take us within pretty much a perfect test of the 24,071. Let's just see where our highs are here. I'm just going to have a check. So our actual highs are 24,065. So we came within, we say, about 6 points of the 24,071, so a near perfect test of that level, from which we've seen this sell side volatility take us all the way down towards that 23,250. 23,250. Let's just double check. Let's make sure. So we had the sell side momentum take us down towards that 23,2, around that 23, which actually trade below the 23,250. Actually, we trade down towards that 23,200. Brief pullback, further sell side momentum taking us beyond the 23,100. Didn't quite get down towards the 23,000 mark. Currently seeing a bit of a pullback here at present. We've had a pretty consistent bullish run here initially on the US 30. So we'll see if we can continue to hold on to his 23,350. If that is the case, looking for a move towards that 23,514. Previously, we've encountered resistance here on the found support here on the US 30. If we can hold back above the 23,514, looking for that 601, and beyond that we're looking at 750. When it's at 23,900 coming to focus, unless we do have a pretty sharp turnaround. And if that is the case, we'd look at 23,900 being the far end of the range. When it's a price move much beyond the 23,900, would all the way back up towards the 24,071. So 23,900 if we do have a pretty sharp turnaround here on the US 30. If we do break down away from this 23,350, looking to retest our previous lows in around that 23,000 and about 90. Failure to do that, we're looking for the 23,000 mark. Successful break from which starting at 22,742. So break of 23,000, looking for a move down towards the 22,742 here to the downside. Move down towards that 22,742. Possibly looking at that being the far end of the range. We'll anticipate prices moving much beyond that 600 point range, unless we did have a particularly volatile day. And we've been volatile over the past couple of days, but we haven't seen prices moving much beyond, say, 500 and 600 point range. But if we did, and the very next level of note here to the downside beyond the 22,742 would be a move down towards that 22,581. And what we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart. So let's just have a look at the daily chart to get the scale on here correct. So we mentioned the volatility that we've seen over the past couple of days. So as we can see, we've had this sell-off, pullback, further sell-off. We've had these wicks to the upside. So these initial moves to the upside, these rallies have been rejected. So as we can see, the bulls had strong moves to the upside, rejected by the bears, and strong bearish momentum. See prices close bearishly. Well, we didn't close at our lows. We did close pretty close to them. So initially today, we've seen a move to the downside, made no lows before seeing this pullback where we are at present. So we'll see if we do continue to hold the levels that we are at, or if we'll do see a turnaround, break onto new lows down towards the 23,000 mark, and beyond that, we mentioned that 22,742 and that 22,581. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.